Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my go-to makeup look. I know I look awful. My hair was not fixed today, so I just let it in a ponytail, hoping that it gives me something. So if you want to see this video, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I've been wanting to do this video for a while, and I've been testing out different products of what I really want to be my main go-to makeup look. And I'm burning up right now. I was freezing and now I'm burning up, so I'm gonna roll my sleeves up. Okay, anyways. I didn't know which one I wanted to go with. I have several different products for my go-to makeup look. And I can't pick this one because I use literally all these palettes, all this stuff in my one look. So this might be a long video, and it might not be. Let's hope it's not. But you never know. So this is the primer that I always use on my eyes. And I use this on a daily basis. And I'm, like, not too much longer. I'm going to be running out of this. And this is the MAC Prep and Prime. And I'm going to go ahead and set my eyes. Like, it took me a while to figure out, like, my go-to products. And I couldn't just go to, like, one each. I made a video of this palette, I think. Yeah. And it's this Dream Street Kathleen Lights Color Pop palette. And it looks like this. And you open it up, and it's, like, gorgeous colors. And I just love this palette. I use it on a daily basis when I work. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and set my eyes with this color right here. And I just put this a little bit all over my eyes. And then I'll go in with this kind of like orange color right here, like a dark orange. And I put that right in my inner. And I work it, I just don't put it there. I have to blend it out really good. Like, for your makeup to be flawless, you have to blend. You can't just put it on there and just hope that it goes for the best. And I just really work that in my outer corner. And then I go in with this brown shade right here. So I use Twinkle, Spark, and Mermaid Boy. That's the colors I use in this palette. I just put this right enough on my eyes to make it dark. Because I like to have like a dark outer corner. But I also like to have dimensions of different colors. And then I rub off the excess of that color. And I just blend it all out. Blend it together, blend it out. Make it look like it's together. So it looks like a brownish orange-ish color. I love this color. I really do. Alright, go. Now, what I do is I start going into my Jaclyn Hill palette. It's the Bling Boss one. I absolutely love this. I've been trying out another eyeshadow palette, but I want to, like, let you all see it individually. Like, I just want to show y'all, like, I got it when I got the Dream Street palette. But I love this Jaclyn Hill palette, and you can tell I use this a lot. I absolutely love this. Like, if you have not tried out Jaclyn Hill's collection, I want all of them, but girl ain't got there yet. So what I do is take a more defined brush that is little but has like a straight edge to it. And what I do is go in with one of these sparkle colors. It just depends on what mood I'm in and what I kind of want to go with. But I've been using this color right here, Glitz and Glam, a lot. This is my go-to. This is my go-to one. But it's mostly just what mood I'm in on that day. I just put it in my inner corner, just a little bit, on each side. and then I just keep adding it until it pleases me. Because, like, when I'm getting ready for work, I can't sit here and get ready for 20 minutes. I can't. Like, while I work, all that makeup will go to waste. So, and then that's what it looks like. That's my eyes. Like, sometimes I'll go back in with the Dream Street palette, and I'll go back in with that brown to tie up my makeup a little bit more, to give it that more darkness where I put makeup on. I just pat it right there in the outer corner. Okay, for my eyeliner, I have the Berry Treasure one in Jaclyn Hill's palette. This one right here. It's got like sparkle to it. But what I take is a edged brush that is like slanted. And I take it and I put it on the brush. And then I just put it as my eyeliner. And I just go. And it stays on all day long. Like, for real. And when I work, I don't necessarily wear foundation or BB cream or anything when I work. Some days I might, but this is like, this is my go-to eye look for work. If I go out, just to go out, I don't want no foundation or anything on. I just want eyes. And I'll put like a little big lip gloss on or something. But when I do go out and I feel like I want to have some foundation on or something, these are my two go-to foundation and BB creams. The BB cream from Dollar Tree, from Sassy and Chick. I love this BB cream. It was just $1, and I'm in love with it. I'm definitely gonna go buy me some more when I get out of it. And then this Avon Simply Pretty foundation. I'm going to put this on today because I'm feeling a little bit more like this. This is like a foundation and a BB cream. So, a BB cream is what I would wear if I don't feel like having a foundation on. This is a foundation that I would wear if I don't want to. Look, I don't want to be matte, but I want to have something on my face. Like, maybe if I have a lot of zits on my face at the time, and I just want to hide it, I'll wear this foundation. So, let's go ahead and dive into this foundation. I just love doing makeup. I really do. Like, honesty. And it's like so many products coming out. It's like crazy. I can't keep up with all of it. Because, like, you know. But, I try. And this foundation, oh my god, like, I don't know how long this foundation has been out. I honestly don't. And I don't know. I got this at, like, a liquidation place. But I love this foundation. Like, it melts into your skin like it's your actual skin. And you'll see it here soon. But it really does melt into my skin. Sometimes I have to use more than like a couple like dabs on my face. But that's not very rarely. See, like if I'm going to work or if I'm going somewhere that I just don't feel like being matte, like having a matte face, I just put this stuff on, or my BB cream. And I don't care if it goes away or if it stays. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I know that sounds weird. But I don't wear concealer if I'm not going matte. So, I'm not going to have no concealer on. But what I do is go into my favorite palette of all time. This is my favorite YouTuber. Well, one of my favorite YouTubers. But this is one of my palettes that I will always use. And I try not to like use it all the time because I don't want to go out of it because I don't think she's bringing it back after she sells out of this one. So it's this Casey Holmes palette, and I just love this palette. Like, she did an awesome job, and I do use the highlight when I'm not going to go nowhere. My go-to highlight, I use this highlight in this palette all the time. No, I don't use it every day I go to work. Concealer on, but I do put some highlight on, and it's her limited edition highlight in her palette right here. And it's so gorgeous. And I'll just put a little bit right here. I won't put too much on because I don't want to, you know, because this is just something on my face. I love that highlight. I put a little bit on my nose just to give my nose a little bit of shininess. Okay. That's all using her palette. I also have, I don't put no blush on. I don't put nothing on. This is my, I have two go-to lip glosses, a lipstick and a lip gloss, and I wear this lip gloss every day almost. It's a Sassy and Chic. I got this at Dollar Tree, and I got Casey Holmes that came in her collection that you just saw. I use both of these. Sometimes I use them together, sometimes I use them separate. So today I'm just going to put this on. Sometimes I'll put blush on, but it's very rarely. And this does smell so good. Okay, and the mascara that been using is this Mega Wear by Wet n Wild. Girl, I cannot not wear mascara, okay? Like, if I literally don't feel like putting on no makeup whatsoever, I'll put some mascara on, girl, because I always like to have some of that stuff on. Okay. So this is my go-to makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I really enjoyed making this because I love this makeup look. I think it's very classy. I don't think it takes you very long to make it. It's just, I love it. And if you have not tried out any of these products, I would. I don't think her palette is going to be in much longer. I think she has a restock right now, but it might not last long. So if you have not tried this palette out, I would try it out. I try not to use it a lot. I try to use the highlight when I ever feel like making some foundation or something on. But it's definitely not something that I want to use. I try to use a lot of, because I don't want to go and not have that palette no more. So I hope y'all like this video, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, guys!